All right, people, I am back, and so pretty much what you see now is I'm gonna move this into the camera a little bit, but what you see now is I pulled it out of the oven, and the thyme that was in here, I went ahead and took those sticks out, and just, you know, the actual thyme itself had peeled off. The leaves had actually peeled off into the chicken, which was really good, so I took the sticks out. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add our elbow macaroni, and I have it here in the bag, so you'll just kind of see me adding it here. So we're going to go ahead and add that, and then we're just going to kind of disperse it evenly out. I'm going to pull some of your chicken up. Okay, that's in there. So then what we're going to do is we're going to add our heavy whipping cream. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to add some chicken broth. And you hear me going in my refrigerator here. But next, what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of chicken broth to that as well. Okay, so we've added that. Next, we're going to add our aged cheddar. And you're just gonna kind of, you know, you'll take your fork and go through it to disperse it evenly. So, sorry about that. And then we're gonna add our smoked Gouda to it. And I'll just dump it over in there. And then just kind of disperse your cheese throughout. Toss it around just a little bit to just kind of even it out. I promise you this dish is going to be so good. See how you can just cut down into that chicken? You just wanted to be able to just pull apart. But it's going to cook some more. There's one of the thyme stems. Alright. So we added that. What I'm going to do is add just a little bit more of... I'm going to mix a little bit of... chicken broth and heavy cream together, just to add a little bit more to it. Just a little bit more. And then we are going to cover it with foil and put it back in the oven and let it cook for about 45 minutes. And let it cook some more, and we'll go from there. Alright, people, I'll be back to show you the finished product.